Hi guys, hope you're all doing good. So let's look at this particular problem over here. So what does it say? Solve the following simultaneous equations. Normally simultaneous equations come in linear format where you have a x and y and a constant on the right side. But here they have given a little bit of a, they made it a little bit, what do you say, complex over here, but not to worry about. So first what we need to do is that if you look at it, right, you don't get to solve these equations directly by using those three methods which we have learned, right? The substitution method, elimination method, or the cross multiplication method. Before getting into any of those methods, right, what you need to do over here is that simplify these equations and bring it to a linear format, first of all, okay? So what we are going to do is that, let's take the first one. Okay, I'll explain step by step. There is one more catch over here. When you have two big coefficients like these, right, don't try to solve them by using the elimination or the substitution method, because the problem what you will face is that these are big numbers and you're going to get stuck with a lot of calculations. So let's see how we can make this problem very simple. Okay, so the first and foremost thing what I'm going to do is that you have a xy on the right side for both of them. Bring that xy to the denominator of these equations. For example, 99x by xy plus 101y by xy is equal to 499. So I got rid of that xy from there, right? So what do you get over here? Here you're going to get it as 99 by y, because x gets cancelled out, y gets cancelled out. So you get 101 by x is equal to 499. Similarly, if we want to do the other one over here, it will become the same. Do the same stuff over here. Divide by xy plus 99y divided by xy is equal to 501, right? That is what you get. Again, x and x cancels out, y and y cancels out, so you're left with 101 by y plus 99 by x is equal to 501. So we got rid of x and y and we've got it into a linear format. Now, are you going to go ahead and solve this one? What I will do is that I'll do one more piece of substitution over here so that I'll make it a very simple linear equation. So I'm going to substitute let 1 by y is equal to a and 1 by x is equal to b. Look at it. Your equations come out to be 99 times a plus 101 times b is equal to 499, and the other equation becomes 101a plus 99b is equal to 501. So you brought them into a very simple format of a linear equations. Now let's go ahead and solve these. Okay, so let me rub the portion above. So remember this one, we'll keep this one aside because we have to replace this after solving everything so that we are getting the answers, getting the values of x and y later, right? And let's put these equations above. So you have 99a plus 101b is equal to 499, and the second equation you have is 100a plus 99b is equal to 501. So even when you have these kind over here as well, right, you're not supposed to basically go ahead and use the substitution or elimination method. So whenever you get these big coefficients, right, remember that the easiest way to solve is that add these two equations first and subtract them. See what are you going to get. If I add these two equations, right, what do you get? You get 200a plus 200b is equal to 1000, right? That means you get, it's simple, comes out to be a plus b is equal to 5. That's your first equation, right? I'm basically reducing those constants, right? Whatever constants and coefficients are given, I'm going to use them to my benefit and make the equations in a smaller one so that I can use the elimination method and get solved it. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to subtract these two. Here I did addition of both the equations. And the next step, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to subtract both of them. So after subtracting, right, once I subtract the equations, both these equations, right, what do I get? I get 99 minus 100 is equal to minus 2a, 101 minus 99 is 2b, and 499 minus 400 is equal to 2a. What does that come out to be? It is a minus b is equal to 1. Now look at it here, equations have become so simple. So you can directly, without wasting much time, right, just go ahead and add these two equations. B gets cancelled out. 2a is equal to 6, therefore a is equal to 3, right? And then put it in one of the equations and get the value of e. So you get value of b is equal to 2. So if you remember, right, initially we have taken that a is nothing but 1 by y and b is equal to 1 by x. That is what I'm just putting it in a reciprocal way. So your the value of y will become 1 by 3 and b will become 1 by 2. Look at it. This is how you solve these problems in a much more simpler fashion. Normally when you do it in a paper, right, when you do it in steps and when you do it in paper, it should not take more than 2 to 3 minutes for you to solve these problems. Okay, great.